In 2017, Omron acquired Microscan, a pioneer of machine vision and barcode reading with more than 35 years' experience in the field. Now, that experience has been combined with Omron's core strengths in vision technology to develop the Micro-Hawk range, the world's smallest industrial barcode readers. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. Featuring an ultra-high density lens with autofocus, the Micro-Hawk reads the smallest possible codes, and its advanced X-mode technology can read any type of code on any surface, even low contrast marks with wide variety of surface preparations and surface conditions. Micro-Hawk is easy to set up and integrate into the manufacturing environment thanks to the world's first web-based barcode system. With no software to install, WebLink allows users to set up, test and control multiple readers from the browser of their choice. And you can find out more about the highly customizable Omron Microscan range from Omron on 1300 766 766 or visit microscan.com. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.